In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Squarespace. This process is a fantastic way to streamline your marketing efforts and ensure that your email campaigns are both efficient and effective. We'll take you through each step carefully to make sure everything is set up correctly. To start, head to your Squarespace homepage. This is your main hub where you'll be making all the necessary changes. Once you're there, look for the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a list of options that allow you to customize and control various aspects of your site. Click on Settings to begin. After you've opened the Settings menu, you'll need to locate Third-Party Tools. This section is where you'll integrate external applications with your Squarespace site. Incorporating third-party tools is crucial for extending your site's capabilities and integrating services like Mailchimp seamlessly. In the Third-Party Tools section, you'll see an option for Extensions. Click on it to proceed. Extensions are additional functionalities that allow you to connect your Squarespace website with external services, making it easier for you to manage multiple tools on a single platform. Now, navigate to the option labeled Mailchimp, Email and SMS. This is the specific extension that will connect your Squarespace site with your Mailchimp account. By integrating Mailchimp, you can easily manage your email campaigns directly through your Squarespace site. Once you've found the Mailchimp extension, click on the Connect button. This action will prompt you to log into your Mailchimp account. Connecting your account is essential to synchronize data and facilitate seamless communication between your website and your marketing campaigns. At this stage, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Click Log In and enter your Mailchimp credentials. If you haven't registered for a Mailchimp account yet, you'll need to sign up for one. It's free and offers a plethora of features to enhance your email marketing. After successfully logging in, follow the instructions on the screen to complete the integration between Squarespace and Mailchimp. This will enable you to automate your email marketing efforts, helping you to focus on creating engaging content and reaching your audience more effectively. And there you have it. You've now integrated Mailchimp with your Squarespace site. With these two powerful tools working together, you can manage your website and your email marketing strategy in one cohesive platform. Remember, maintaining an integrated system reduces complexity and enhances your marketing efficiency. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.